Armed with the Kingslayer axe, this miniature brings a powerful champion to your Blades of Khorne army. Let's unbox it. The miniature comes in this sweet little box, featuring a picture of the model. On the back side we have some more pictures and some info. I think you have variants to choose from here. But let's find out. We are greeted by this 40mm round base, the miniature itself, and how to build the model. If you need a picture of this, just pause the video. Yeah, there is a choice of parts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 parts in total for this miniature. And let me get up close and show the sprue. I'm looking very much forward to painting this. So please stay tuned for a painting tutorial. Well, that's all you get. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe, and happy painting.
We'll be right back.